Hi guys, bonjour, bonsoir. Disclaimer, this is an old video. This is a throwback. I have not reattached my locks. Going through the 1 year no retwist, you guys requested styles with no retwist, and I recorded it, but I never got around to editing it. So here it is. And this is just styles that were my go-tos during my no retwist year. These are some of the styles. I did a side updo. This was kind of like a spiral, and this was a braided bun, and this one was just a regular bun with a little adornment. And that's it. So 4 styles I'm going to show you guys that I did. And no, I don't make any more bonnets, but this was my Haiti bonnet, satin line bonnet. So pretty much, yeah. So this was my hair. No edges done. This is the style I'm going to show. So this is my hair right here. I'm starting with just moisturized, non-retwisted hair. I believe I was maybe 11 months into my no retwist journey here, semi-freeform journey here. And you can see my hair, my roots really taking on a life of their own and actually freeforming. And I loved it. And I didn't try to manipulate my hair as much, meaning I didn't do my edges. I didn't lay no edges. Like, I just let them be natural, nappy. Kinky edges are okay too. They don't have to be swooped, laid, and all of that. So this is pretty much just a regular bun. This was my favorite out of the bunch to do. Loved that my hair grew so long, but I'm not a fan of long hair. I pretty much just gather all my hair. I roll it or twist it clockwise as I take the ends of my locks to the back of the bun, and I tuck it in the little opening there made from my hair. So I also use minimal styling accessories. I use minimal products. I'm very minimal. If you guys have not seen, that's the theme here. When it comes to me, I'm very minimal. So just to make it look nice, I just add a little adornment. I made this myself. I don't make these anymore, by the way. I used to make custom-made lock jewelry. I don't anymore. I may make these things in the future again, bonnets, lock jewelry, what have you. But right now, my life is too hectic. But yeah, so I'm just going to have it go in the direction of the bun and make it look cute. And that's that. That is pretty much it. Like I said before, I will not be slaying any edges. I will not be brushing anything up because this was my semi-freeform journey here, and I did not want to manipulate my hair. I wanted to be authentic and true to not manipulating it in any way that wasn't going to benefit my hair, if that makes sense. So once again, natural edges are okay. They're okay. All right, and the next one is just a little updo, a little braided updo, and I'm going to start from the back and just kind of alternate sections of my hair from left to right on top, from left to right, just like such. And I'm going to continue until I am just going into a big, gigantic braid. And there's no significant number of locks. I'm just taking locks. And once again, just keeping up with the theme of simplicity. And so I'm going to complete the braid and try to tuck in as much of my ends as possible. This is one thing I didn't like about these set of locks. My ends were so thick because I started with 2-strand twists. I don't know if that's why, but I think that's why that happens to people. But I know that's why that happens to my hair because, they never thinned out. Even when my hair was damaged from bleach, it never ever thinned out. They stayed super thick. So it was really hard to style my hair with them. So I'm going to try and just tuck them in as I go. And then I'm going to secure the end of this big braid with a rubber band. And I'm going to just go back through and tuck again. And I'm just going to take this big braid. And I'm just going to take this big braid and just swoop it to the side like that and secure it by tucking it in and using a few pins to keep it in place. I also added a little lock jewelry to the side. So my little baby joined me for this one. This is the spiral, and once again, everything is super carefree. I'm not worried about neatness because that's not what the look I'm going for. I'm just going for pulled up or pulled together, if that makes sense. So I'm going to separate my hair into 3 sections, one at the front, one at the back, and one at the middle. I don't have a lot of locks. I had 68 locks. Actually, I did 4 sections, but I had 68 locks. So if you have more locks, then maybe it could be more spirals throughout your head. Maybe the spiral could be longer throughout your head, but I only had 68 and I have a small head. So my spiral was just what you see here. And once again, it's just the over and under method. Just alternating sections of hair over and under. And I'm going to do this all the way through the back, that top section, and then that middle section. And all of these styles were tension-free, very loose in retrospect, because the whole point, once again, of this no retwist journey that I went on was to be very, very low in manipulation to my hair. So I didn't want to do anything that would damage my hair or would compromise the fact that I'm letting my roots freeform and lock freely. And with the rest of the hair, I just went through it with rubber bands just to keep it all together. And I'm just going to spiral it up into that little opening and tuck it in. And that's it for this style. Okay, and the 4th style is just a braided bun, including 2 braids. So all I'm going to do is separate my hair into 2 sections, kind of like a half up, half down. I'm going to do the ponytail in the back first. And once I have that ponytail up, I'm going to do my little braid. And it's not really a 3-strand braid. I'm pretty much doing a fishtail braid to keep it nice and loose and give it a nice pattern. And this also helps with the ends, with having to tuck in the ends. If I did a 3-strand braid, there would be more ends to have to tuck in. With the fishtail braid, I can kind of camouflage that as I go. And now I'm going to go to the front part and do the next ponytail. And I think I left a lock out. I probably did. I did, so I just put it in the front one. And I'm just going to do the same thing. Do another fishtail braid. And once I'm done with that, I'm just going to kind of position them in whatever way looks good or makes sense and is comfortable for my scalp and is not applying any tension. And that's it. And of course you would tuck in the ends that are sticking out there. And that is all. Would position it and fix it the way that looks good. And that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think of the styles. Let me know if you're freeforming, semi-freeforming. or just not retwisting for a period of time. What kind of styles do you like to do to keep your hair up, or just keep your hair up, or just quick styles to get out of the house? Comment below, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.